Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another one stop watch video. You guys, let's get into this potatoes and garlic. It's coming along very nice. So you guys, there is a garlic challenge going on YouTube, and that's why you see hashtag garlic 2026. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I just wanted to join and have some fun, okay? I like a challenge, so I'm in. For more information about the challenge, please go and check out Big Willie. No, it's Big Dog 82 in the soil. I learned about the challenge on Hippie Chick Homestead YouTube channel. She has a video on it. I want to give people their credit, you know, but clearly this has been a challenge going on for years and I'm looking to participate. So as you can see, my garlic is doing well along with my potatoes. Moving on to week 24 mint, and you guys, my mint is actually doing well, I should say. So you guys, I decided to take off the flowering to see if I can harvest some seeds. But when I took it off and I crumbled it up in my hand, I'm like, well, where are the seeds? Like, do you see the seeds? And what you think that are seeds is nothing but dust. It's hollow plant bud debris. Alright you guys, let's get into week 29 seedlings. Listen, you know the summer garden is coming to an end. It is nothing like, I'm just waiting for what I have left to die out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do not like the cold. This weather is so depressing. The good thing is it won't be so many bugs. So you see the basil here in the milk crate, and next are the tomatoes. There are more tomatoes. I just wanted to show the cucumber here. They are pretty much dead. Ain't nobody eating that. Alright you guys, let's get into the ginger. This ginger shares the pot with the mystery seed, aka spaghetti squash, and of course none of that's gonna make it. And I did not show the ginger in the blue pot because it was a spider over there, and I'm just like, even though it's getting cold, like why is the spider here? Like, go, you know. But anyway, this is the kale, my herb garden, and the kale keep coming back, and since kale like these colder temperatures, hopefully it don't get ate to the stem again. So up next is the tower, which consists of habanero peppers and eggplant. Now you guys, I did record me cooking with the spaghetti squash and the eggplant. It tasted really, really good. However, the end results did not look good. It wasn't good enough to be on camera, so that's why the video was not out. For my first cooking video, the bar is going to be set high, okay? Moving on to the sugar baby watermelons. So you guys, I did a lot of zooming in and didn't really get into moving like the watermelons because I was already creeped out because of the spider. So my apologies ahead of time. Next week I should be all up in there. So now let's get into the cauliflower. Once again, I'm zoomed in and it's over. I'm so sorry, you guys. I was really creeped out, okay? Now, I'm not going to get into a whole weekly update with the basil, but I just want to show you from when I harvested the basil last week and the mint didn't make it. But look at the root, you guys, and the bottle that is in is an old hot sauce bottle because I like the shape of it. And I was like, you know what, this would be really cute. So don't be just throwing away this stuff, you guys. You got to get real creative, and it looks really good in a windowsill. If you made it this far in a video, please consider subscribing because it really does help my channel. And this is it, you guys. So for more videos like this, click here, and thanks for watching.